I like to make fried rice because it's a quick process. It doesn't require much ingredients, and I just enjoy eating it. I'm a very big fried rice guy. I like to make sure that I have the freshest ingredients. Carrots, green beans, onions, ginger. In high school, I worked at a Chinese restaurant. I worked there for 3 years, and I learned the recipe from one of the chefs there. She taught me how to cook it when I first started working there, and it's something that I did pretty frequently. I like to make enough fried rice to last me 3 days or 3 dinner meals. So I would say I make fried rice twice a week. Whenever I like to eat my fried rice, I like to eat it with sweet and sour sauce. The saucier, the better. So when I cook, I like to incorporate all of the food groups: protein, vegetables, carbs, and flavor. I recommend this recipe to anybody that's looking for something that's healthy, delicious, and easy to make.